Hey guys, this is Justin with Ready Business Systems, and this video today is an overview of Service Autopilot. So Service Autopilot, basically you log in and this is what you see. This is what they call the to-do list, this area here. You have your time clock here for payroll. You can punch in and out. Notifications, this will let you know if anyone else, the activity from other users. Automations, this will let you know if there's anything that needs to be approved, automatic emails to go out, that sort of thing. So basically, you log in here, you have this to-do list where it's going to be attached to different clients. This is a dummy client, shop job it's called, but this would be a typical client. And if you went to the client, you would also see the list of all these to-dos would be listed under that client. So that's just useful for basically assigning tasks and accountability. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you, I'm going to go to one of these actual clients, dummy customer. Within the client screen, you can learn a lot right here. So basically, this is the account we obviously use for testing. Up here is the balance, uninvoiced, depending on how you set your invoice frequency, will let you know. This will invoice them, weekly or monthly, however you set it to be done. This will show if they have a credit card on file. This is all done through an outside credit card processor, which integrates with Service Autopilot, but it's amazing because you can do really easy things like add a payment. You don't have to add the credit card. There's a screen where everyone has a balance. You can bulk charge credit cards. You can do it all at once. So that's a feature that a lot of CRMs do not have. So obviously contact information here. These tags, these are for a lot of different things, but this is an extremely powerful function within Service Autopilot. This is for the area known as automations. So automations enables you to automatically have things happen within your company, and it's completely customizable. So, iPhone versus Android, I'd say this is more the Android in that it's much more customizable. You can add tags that trigger certain actions to happen. I have to go into that in a separate video, but it's very, very powerful feature. Sending out marketing emails based on these tags, creating to-dos based on these tags, sending text messages based on these tags. So anyhow, the tags really come in handy. For example, on this one, small engine repair, this anyone who has this tag gets marketing directed towards small engine repair. Reference, if someone gives us a lot of stars, so we send out surveys. That's why this dummy customer has half a star, doesn't like us, but basically anyone who gets a 4 or 5 star gets tagged as a reference, and then we can collect all those people and create a list. So those are a couple examples of the automations. In here we have, this is the running services on the account. This is the financial activity on the account, and these are the estimates on the account. What's great about Service Autopilot is the workflow. So if you go in here and you write up an estimate in here, this all carries across. So it eliminates all double entry. So, here's an example for a quote for a brush mower, the price, the budgeted hours, that sort of thing. As soon as this person sends it, there's a whole process. The estimate gets digitally signed, approved, we get their credit card, and then that carries right into a list of jobs that need to be done. So basically, all that you wrote up for an estimate will go directly into a waiting list of jobs that need to be done. It will be added right to your regular schedule. So that's awesome. And then what happens is the guys log in on their tablets and they see these same jobs that you wrote on the estimate. They can clock in and out of them, record the time. If it's hourly, bill the customer, and it goes directly from here to these invoices. So the workflow there, you don't have to touch anything. You wrote up the estimate once, type in the service once, and it carries across throughout all of the estimates, throughout the entire workflow of the company. Down here, as you can see, this is the to-do list I showed you on the front screen. So on the client's end of it, it shows you, these are all the to-dos associated to this client. So on that initial home screen, you can see to-dos for the entire company. For any client that are assigned to you, this is to-dos that are assigned to any employee having to do with this client, if that makes any sense. There's also automatic emails that can go out from templates. You send emails, send text messages. The emails are templates that customize based on the person's name and address and that sort of thing. So you can see that these go out, and a lot of them are automated, so we don't even send them. They go out on their own. But you can see these are some more examples of automations, phone call follow-ups, credit card was declined, those sorts of things. So anyway, I want to give you guys a brief overview of Service Autopilot. Catch you next time.